Hello everyone, we are NSS! Today, we'll explore an exciting intersection between bioaerosols, animism, and quantum gravitational fields. This topic merges ancient animistic worldviews with cutting-edge scientific insights, offering a new perspective on life and consciousness. We'll dive deep into how invisible particles in the atmosphere, bioaerosols, interact on a quantum level with the universe, and how this can shape our understanding of life. By bridging these seemingly different fields, we can uncover mysteries about the interconnectedness of nature, life, and the cosmos. 1. What are bioaerosols? The invisible network of life in the air. Bioaerosols are microscopic airborne particles that contain biological material such as microbes, spores, pollen, viruses, and microbial DNA fragments. These particles travel through the atmosphere, often over vast distances, and play a key role in regulating ecosystems and weather patterns. Bioaerosols have a profound impact on the Earth's climate by influencing cloud formation, rain cycles, and even the global carbon cycle. These particles may seem invisible, but they form a critical network that sustains life. From an animistic perspective, ancient cultures believed that all elements of nature, including the air, are filled with spiritual energy. Bioaerosols might thus be seen as carriers of life force, not only biologically but spiritually, influencing both our physical health and mental well-being in ways we are only beginning to understand. 2. Quantum gravity and bioaerosols. The possibility of new interactions. Quantum gravity is an emerging theory that seeks to unify quantum mechanics and general relativity. While quantum gravity is typically associated with large-scale cosmic structures, recent ideas suggest that it might also have subtle effects on biological and microscopic systems, including bioaerosols. Quantum fluctuations in the gravitational field could alter how bioaerosols form, behave, and spread across the atmosphere, potentially influencing global energy and information exchange within the biosphere. From this perspective, bioaerosols may serve as conduits for quantum signals, transmitting energy or information across biological and environmental systems at the quantum level. This theory points to the possibility that quantum forces, once thought to only apply to subatomic particles, could actually influence biological systems. In essence, the air we breathe may be part of a quantum energy network that connects all life. 3. Geomagnetic fields and consciousness. The intersection of energy and the mind. Now let's talk about geomagnetic fields and their potential impact on human consciousness. Earth's geomagnetic field protects the planet from cosmic radiation, but it also appears to influence biological rhythms, behaviors, and even cognitive functions in humans. There is growing evidence that fluctuations in the geomagnetic field can affect emotional states, concentration, and overall mental health. Studies suggest that stable periods of geomagnetic activity correlate with improved mental clarity and well-being, while geomagnetic storms are linked to mood disorders, irritability, and sleep disturbances. The idea that magnetic energy could affect consciousness and mental states ties into the concept of bioaerosols being influenced by geomagnetic and quantum forces. This opens up fascinating possibilities about how subtle energies in the environment may shape our minds and bodies, contributing to ancient ideas of spiritual connectedness in animism. 4. Animism and quantum resonance, a new view of life. In animism, all living and non-living things are imbued with spiritual energy, creating an interconnected web of existence. This worldview has surprising parallels with the quantum theory of entanglement, where particles can become linked in such a way that the state of one immediately influences the other, no matter how far apart they are. When quantum coherence, a state where particles resonate in unison, occurs within bioaerosols, it could allow for harmonized energy flows throughout ecosystems. From a spiritual standpoint, these airborne microorganisms may serve as channels of energy and consciousness, connecting humans with the natural world on an energetic level. This convergence of quantum physics and animism suggests that bioaerosols might participate in the flow of energy that animates all living things, further highlighting the intricate, unseen connections between life and the cosmos. 5. The fusion of science and spirituality, future possibilities. The potential connection between bioaerosols, quantum gravity, and geomagnetic fields could open the door to a future where science and spirituality converge. If quantum gravitational fluctuations can influence the movement and behavior of microorganisms, then these invisible networks in the air may have a direct impact on health, consciousness, and ecological balance. Future medical applications might focus on manipulating bioaerosols and geomagnetic forces to enhance mental and physical health, tapping into the quantum energy fields that link all living systems. In environmental science, understanding how quantum forces influence bioaerosol distribution could offer new strategies for climate regulation and ecosystem preservation. By exploring these unseen interactions, we may discover how to harmonize human life with the natural world, using quantum and geomagnetic forces to restore balance and well-being. Conclusion: understanding the invisible connections. The concept of bioaerosols and animism resonating through quantum gravitational fields offers an exciting new way of thinking about life and consciousness. These invisible particles in the air, acting as conduits for energy and information, suggest that there is much more to the world around us than what we can see or measure. By studying these connections, we can push the boundaries of science and begin to understand the mystical, interconnected nature of life. If you found this discussion interesting, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. You can also check out the description for free resources to dive deeper into these topics.